Oh no, you've run out of storage on your iPhone? And you're in the middle of nowhere? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the DigiEra LPS 2000M portable SSD. It's a portable solid-state hard drive, which means it's ultra fast, but apparently this one's way faster than the other one. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DigiEra LPS 2000M 1TB portable SSD. This thing looks great. The packaging looks phenomenal. They did a great job. It had tape when it came in here. I've already pulled that off to make it easier to open, but packaging, fantastic. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in the box. One of the first things you see at the top is this little baggie here, which seems to have a user manual in it, and then part of the tape for the back if you decide to keep it on your phone. We got our manual. Nice. Right here, magnetic suction. Put it on the back of your phone. There you go. Information on how to install that magnetic adapter, warranty information and all that. Quick start guide to setting up the product itself right there for your ProRes. Nice, the manual, great. You guys might need this. Our little magnetic suction ring right here. This is not really bendable, so do keep that in mind. This is what should go on the back of your phone and will magnetize to that. The USB-C to USB-C cable right here, so you'll run that into the SSD and then that into your device, whether it's again like a Switch, an Android device, an iPhone. Just the iPhones have the ProRes technology. I'm not exactly sure if the Androids do. I don't think they do, so you know, that is kind of what the emphasis is there. But, you know, iPads, Androids, Nintendo Switches, PlayStations, laptops, you know, right there, hyperspeed, USB-C. And finally, the hard drive itself. Look at this little thing. It is not big. I don't have gigantic hands, but, you know, it's a good little size comparison there. Very small device right there. Information, the 1 TB. Really nice kind of metal fill all around it there, and your USB-C plug. Real simple, but you know we gotta do this. Yeah, you're welcome. Look at that. Super clean. DigiEra, great job. Let's go ahead and check it out. This is the DigiEra LPS 2000M magnetic portable solid state drive. It's got ProRes capture. It connects with the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max for 4K 60 FPS video. It also connects with the iPhone 16 series smartphones for the 4K 60 FPS video. The reason why ProRes is so amazing is because it records directly to the external storage hard drive. The magsafe convenience, it is secure magnetic connection for efficient data transfers. That's right, you can just slap it on the back of your phone and run it into the USB-C port, and it's there. It's awesome. Ultra fast transfer. This SSD supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 protocol with a Type-C 20 gigabytes per second interface, up to 2,000 megabytes read and 1,800 megabytes write speeds. The fast transfer speeds are ideal for large files and high-resolution media. Ordinary portable SSDs, yeah, they read up to 500 megabytes per second, so this thing is fast. Expansive storage, they have options of the 512 gigabyte or 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte, and a pioneering design with the aluminum build or aluminium build with a standout texture, chic, compact, and portable. Portability and durability, compact, lightweight, and robust design for easy transport in various environments with reliable data protections, the advanced security features to safeguard your valuable data. Type-C interface can be used for Android, iOS, Windows, PS5, Steam Deck, and more. Plus, unlike traditional portable SSDs, the DigiEra uses a single chip solution, so higher performance and lower power consumption. DigiEra, wow, this thing is fast. It's the magnetic on the back. It's just, it's a great idea. I love it. We want to give a huge shout out to DigiEra for sponsoring this video. All the links will be found down below in the description. So don't forget to go check them out. I've been today's host, Matthew. Don't forget to like, comment, and review. That's what I just did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye!